Mailchimp customer journey tutorial. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a customer journey using Mailchimp. So let's get into it. Now, starting off, I have logged on to my Mailchimp account, and what you're going to do is, first off, you have your navigation bar on your left, you have your create section, you have your audience, you have your different campaigns over here, you have automations, website, content studios, integrations, and your general search bar. So you're just going to go on to the create section over here, and then you can see you have these sections on the left in this pop-up box. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on customer journeys over here, and then you're just going to click on start creating. Now you can see over here you have transactional emails, retargeting ads, postcards, and new customer journeys. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on create journey on the top right over here. Now once you have done that, you're just going to name the journey. So let's say that this is a customer welcome coupon. So let's say we're doing a customer welcome coupon, and we're just going to click on start building over here. And now you can start building your customer journey. So if you're really wondering what is a customer journey, it is how an email is going to be sent to a customer. And now you have to answer what is going to trigger this journey. So you have to choose the starting point for your customer journey. And this can be anything from when a certain thing is tagged, when a person signs up, when it's their birthday, when they buy a specific product, when they send a specific email, or when they abandon a specific cart. So we're just going to do a sign up one, and we're just going to include the imported contacts that we already have. Or you can get more specific about who is going to be sent these kinds of emails. You're going to click on save starting point. So this is going to be for my entire contact list that I have added on my Mailchimp account. Now you can see over here we have a contact that exists. We're going to click on plus over here, and then we can add the different journey sections from the left side over here. Now on your left, you're going to find you have your journey builder. So you have the basic rules that if a person does this, they're going to get this. If you have to wait for the trigger, or if there are any time delays, then you have the action. So let's say if a contact exists, you have to add the trigger. So you have to wait the trigger, which is going to be a birthday, let's say, or maybe if it's not a birthday, let's say we're going to add a trigger like this. We're going to sign up for our audience, and we're going to add a filter contact from a custom segment. And let's say we only want contacts from this specific campaign. We can do this. So any campaign sent within the past 7 days, we only want these people to get this welcome email. We're going to add those, and then we're going to add the send email section over here. So if the person signs up as our audience, they're going to get this email, and then you can click on send email, and then you can go on into renaming this section, and you can rename this into anything else, but you can select a template or use a previous campaign template. I would suggest that before you start creating your customer journey, you actually go on ahead and actually create the email that you want to be sent on your customer journey, or you can do this from a template right here. It's not going to take you a lot of time, but it's better if you do that before setting up your journey, because that's going to save you a lot of time and effort, and you might want to spend a bit more time on creating the initial email because it is going to give the maximum amount of impression of your business. Now you can edit what name you want to appear for the customer journey. So you're just going to click on edit, and let's say that you want to appear as Mike. So Mike from Jane Doe. So something like that. You can change that to that, and then you have to enter the email address that you're going to use to send your emails. Now you're just going to click on save. Then you're going to click on subject. So this is the subject that's going to appear on the snippet of their inbox, and you want to make sure that this is enticing. So we're going to do a welcome discount, and we're going to keep it short and concise, but it's going to be appealing enough for the people to actually open up the email. And then you have to schedule this. So every day as soon as possible, or you can actually make this a bit delayed. So let's say you don't want this to be every day, but for most businesses, I would suggest keeping it at every day. And then you can click on what time of day you want to send this. And you can click on only send, and you can click on the certain timings that you want this to be sent on. So let's say you only want this to be sent between 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. or let's just say 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And this is going to enable you to get your emails sent to people at the prime time when they are actually going to be browsing. Now we're just going to use a previous campaign as a template for our email journey over here. So let's click on save templates over here, And I'm just going to open up this template and use this in my customer journey. Now, once you have your email, you can customize it over here before you finalize it for your email marketing campaign or your customer journey. And then once you have selected your template, you're just going to click on preview and test, and then you can just continue with the email. Now, we're just going to click on the save and return to journey section over here, and this is going to go get us back to our actual page where we are building our customer journey. Now, once we have this customer journey built, you can click on add and add more elements to your customer journey as well. So then you can add a time delay like this. So let's say we want to add a time delay of 3-week time delay, and then we want to add a update contact or a archive contact section, or if we want to unsubscribe them to this email. So if they haven't opened this email, we can click on add the unsubscribe button as well, or we can click on send email again. So we're going to drag and drop this again. And then we're going to add maybe another welcome email or anything like that. So this is how you create a basic and simple customer journey for your Mailchimp audience. It's pretty simple and easy, and you're just going to click on save and close over here. And now you have your customer journey created. Now, for customer journeys, you have transactional emails. You also have Google remarketing or retargeting ads, and you also can create postcard campaigns to send to people as coupons, reminders, and more on the Mailchimp premium version. So some of these customer journey automations are not available for free, and if you do want to create your own customized customer journeys, you are going to have to upgrade to a premium version of Mailchimp. And Mailchimp is available for free. If we take a look at their pricing plans over here, you can see that they have a free version of marketing CRMs, you have creative assistants, you have website builders, you have the Mailchimp domain forms and landing pages, and then on the essentials versions, which start at $10, which starts at A/B testing, custom branding, custom journey builder, email and landing page templates, and 24/7 customer support. So you're going to have to pay for at least the essential versions, which start at $10 for getting your own customer journey builders, or else you're not going to be able to actually send your customer journeys to anyone. So to get this automated function, you're going to have to buy the premium version. Do I recommend the premium version? I do think that if you're going to go through with the essentials, might as well just upgrade to the premium, which starts at $15, because it's going to give you more value for your money, and you're going to get behavioral targeting, custom templates, dynamic content, and send time optimization as well. So if you are looking to upgrade to the essentials, go for the standard, and it's a pretty simple and easy job building your customer journey on Mailchimp. We are about to end this video, and to end it on a good note, I would like to request you guys that if you found this video helpful, or if you found this method exactly what you wanted or what you were looking for, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing it with your friends and family who might learn a thing or two from this video, or learn a thing or two from the hundreds of videos that we have on our channel. And of course, if you have any questions, any queries about anything in this video or related to our entire channel or any of our videos, make sure to leave a comment down below and ask us what you want from our videos. I tried to cover everything I could in this video, but if you want to see more details of the methods or the ways in this video, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to make more videos on your suggestions. At the end of the day, it's all about providing you guys with valuable content that could help instill a positive change in your life and hopefully your friend and family's life as well. And at the end, I would like to request you to make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it helps out our videos a lot. And again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, goodbye.